Move users to a different subscription. Welcome to M365 Professional. As your users change roles, they may need features that aren't available in their current subscription. When this happens, you can add a new subscription that includes those features and assign licenses to the people who need them. Let's take a look at that process now. First, to add the new subscription, go to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Simplified view. Select the Subscriptions tab, add more products, then the All Products tab. Choose the Microsoft 365 category. Scroll to locate the subscription you want to add, then select Details. Next, choose the plan you want to buy, the number of licenses, the subscription length, and the billing frequency you prefer. Select Buy. Review the checkout information, then select Place Order. The new subscription has been added to your account, and you can close the window. To assign the new license to a user, select Home. Go to the Users tab. Select the user that you want to assign the license to, and then go to the Licenses and Apps tab. Under Licenses, you'll see your new subscription. Remove the old subscription from the user. Assign the new one. Save changes. And close the window. The license for the new subscription is now assigned to the user. To view all of your licenses, go to the Subscriptions tab. The license you just unassigned from your user is now available and can be assigned to another user or removed from the original subscription. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.